Good morning, welcome back. Just another little recap video for you. This is cage number 42. What I had in here was 6 eggs. 6 eggs were fertile. These are the chicks here. There's 5 in that nest. I've just cleaned around the nest pan there. What I've had to do is I think I would have lost the last chick. That was like not the last chick, the last egg that was laid. As you can see, I've had to put it into cage number 64. As I've explained in my videos, what I'd normally do is just ring their feet. And then what I've done is I've just fostered and just put it into there. And I've seen it on my webcam, on my camera, that it's actual feeding. What I'll take is around my shed. But obviously I didn't want to lose that chick. So obviously what I've done is I've took it out of there, out of the 6 chicks, and put it in there. And what I've done is I've rung the actual bird and give it a green ring, and it's feeding them. If you look in here, cage number 75, I've got 3 chicks in there. So go along here to cage number 25. This is the only cage that I haven't actually cleaned the mess off the actual nest pan, because they weren't feeding them. As you can see, the hen used to always jump off the nest, move away from the nest pan. So I just let nature take its course and let them just rear those. But as we go down my shed to cage number 58, there's a cockbird. He's just been feeding them there. Got a nice clutch in there for the second round. In cage number 38 is on the 3rd round. I'm just going to put her down for one more time. As you can see underneath here, she's sitting on a clutch of 6 eggs. But this one here, from cage number 38, those are the actual chicks. I've just getting weaned off now. But as you can remember, it had plucked the feather, but obviously the feathers had came back in now, which they're eating by themselves. But as we come along my cage, come along my shed, like as I've said in my videos, I'm not going to edit none of them. Here's what it is. But as I go down my shed, these are the 2nd round. And as we go down here, these are the red dimorphics. As you can see in there, the 2nd round, she only had 2 chicks. There was 1 dead in shell. Crops are all full. I cleaned the nest pan. But that was another pair that jumped off the nest all the time. As you can see in here, I've got some red dimorphics that have just fledged. I need to clean the back wall. As you can see there, put a new nest pan in. Just started to make up for the 2nd round. As we go back down my shed, just before I turn off, just so I'm going to turn off today. As we go back around here, cracking pair then. great parents. As you can see, they've got a different colour ring. Like the cockbird has actually got, I'll zoom in, the cockbird there has actually got a red ring, and obviously the hen has got a pink ring. Go down here, the cockbird's got a black ring, and also the hen has got a green ring. See, it's a ticked hen. The crops are all full. We'll go down the shed, just what I'm going to turn off now. See, there's a red cockbird with also a black-legged hen. Well, there's some nice chicks there. Cage number 54. What I've done is I had a spare hen, so what I've done is I've just ran a spare cockbird from cage number 38 to see if I can get some chicks. I've seen it serve the hen, but obviously I've got some eggs there, so I will check those and see if they're fertile. It's just started to sit tight, but as we turn off now, yeah, there's some nice chicks in there. So thank you if you've liked what you've seen. Subscribe to my channel and share my channel. Thank you and goodbye.